Hey everybody, for today's look, I am gonna dress up like the Joker. The most recent one, the new one from the movie that came out like 2 weeks ago. Joker. This is some old hair that I turned into a wig. And I'm going to dye it green and then paint my face. It's kind of crazy though because I'm like terrified of clowns. So the fact that I am dressing up as a clown, I'm scared of myself. This movie, The Joker, if you haven't already seen it, sorry, spoiler alert. I think it was Warner Brothers did a really good job of going back and seeing how the criminals came to be, and also takes away from the judgment that people come when calling somebody a criminal. How did they get that way? What happened to them? Is it a societal thing, or can you really just blame one person? He definitely had struggles with mental illness, which I thought was great that the movie brought awareness to more of that. There's a line in the movie that I really liked when he said, he's like, people know you have mental health issues, but they expect you to behave like you don't. Which I was like, damn. I forget the actor's name, but he was cute. I hope this doesn't stay green, but let's see how this goes. I got this hairspray from Party City. I have like a red blazer and I'm about to wear some like red high-waisted shorts, a yellow top. As you can see, I'm just like spray painting it green. It smells like baby powder. I feel like every video I have to like stop and go get gloves. But dude, I got asthma. I can't I can't be inhaled like this. And that's like the whole can, I think. Yeah, that's it. It's as green as I want it to be. Aren't you guys excited? I was nervous about having green hair, but I'm just like, let this dry on my wig stand while I put on my face. I went to Party City and got some things. I got this kit. It was like $6.99, $7.99. So gonna have the white paint, the triangles that he has on his face. I might use this for some eyeshadow or something. And then the red for my smile. I also went to Family Dollar and got some blue rhinestones that I'm gonna put on the tops of the triangles around my face. You'll see in a little bit. This is my second time like doing a Halloween look on my face. Last year I did Avatar. And this year we are going full Joker. Still insane because I don't like clowns. I was just thinking of a funny joke. It's like, girl, you say you don't like clowns, but look at your dating history. All you dated is clowns. What happened? His mom was hella abusive. And she also had him in an abusive environment. She was like cooked out on drugs all the time. And her boyfriends would like abuse him too. But backstory on her, she used to work for Thomas Wayne, which is Bruce Wayne's dad, aka Batman. Batman and Joker are brothers. But when the mom got pregnant, Thomas Wayne, the dad, was like ashamed because she was like one of the help and told her that she had to go. And then they had her like committed. The first group of people that a Joker killed were like Wall Street corporate white businessmen that were just like bothering a girl on the train. Then it was an accident. I feel like a Jabberwocky right now. I'll see if I can insert a picture of what the Joker looks like and what I'm going for. See if it shows through. But either way, he never really intended for things to turn out the way they did. But the city was in like an uproar because there was like a garbage strike. So tension was hot, everybody was angry. I'm gonna start by making the triangles around my eyes. Look at this movie as an opportunity to look at ourselves and make sure, like, are we taking care of the people that we exile out of community, or like ostracizing people that are handicapped? Because mental health is like invisible. Like if someone is going through something, it's hard to like practice more empathy and be more considerate of what they're struggling with because you don't really see it. Like if they're having an episode or going through something or having an anxiety attack, it's okay, like take a deep breath or step outside or like clear your head or whatever coping mechanisms we have. If somebody was like throwing up, get everything out, rehydrate with water, get some crackers or something. So like we know what to do when someone has physical health illnesses, as opposed to knowing what to do when someone has like a mental health episode. If you're aware of whatever illness that you're suffering from or whatever issues you do have, it's your responsibility to do what you can to cope with it. Create some coping mechanism. As you can tell, I am a big mental health advocate. He was talking about why he had the scars on his face, and he said something about his mom always told him to smile or something. His mom said he was always a happy kid though. I'm getting into character. I'm gonna try just a regular black eyeliner. So I'm just using a lip liner, LA Girl again. in the shade dark purple, but I'll hopefully show up red. They look like semicolons. Honestly, if I did my eyebrows this high, my forehead wouldn't look that big. Using a Tarte palette. And just use black. Any black eyeshadow, don't. I like it. Let me smoke it out a little bit for a little bit of a cat eye. And I'm going to add some glitter. This is like the Revlon Photo Ready things. To the center of my lid. And drag it out. When you're getting ready to see a dude that showed you plenty of times that he ain't it, I'm gonna try to see what it looks like if I put a little of this glitter on it. So I'm just putting a little bit in the cap. I'm just like shaping it to my eyelid. Come show them. Tell them what you are.
I'm Star Wars.
You're from Star Wars, but what's your character? Who are you?
I don't know.
Stormtrooper.
Stormtrooper.
Okay. Tell Emmanuel to put it on the other way. It's supposed to be the other way. But yeah, that's the end of this look. Well, why am I lying? Gotta put on my wig. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh no, how am I gonna get this to stay? Okay, so I put some clips in my wig. They're not laying their best. And I used some freeze hold glue to stick it around the edges. It's a lace wig. Let me spray this thing back down again. Make a flush on. For my outfit, I just found some clothes that I had. I already had a red blazer. And then I'm gonna wear this as like my shirt underneath. And I have some red shorts. So I'll be right back. I'll put these on and I'll show you guys the finished look. So this is my finished Joker fit.
You just ask the same questions every week. How's your job? Are you having any negative thoughts? All I have are negative thoughts.
January